अच्छा एक चीज बताइए, निया शर्मा और सलमान खान से वो एक कॉमन सवाल क्या है जो हर कोई पूछता है कि भैया तुम अभी तक सिंगल क्यों हो? तो बस आज यही सवाल जो है हम भी पूछेंगे निया से, क्योंकि करने वाले हैं एक खास मुलाकात। यही नहीं भाई, इस बात में कोई दो राय नहीं कि निया आज की डेट में टेलीविजन की बल्कि छोटे पर्दे की एंड ओटीटी की सबसे बड़ी स्टाइल आइकॉन है। ऐसे में वो लोग जो कुछ स्टाइल टिप्स लेना चाहते हैं निया से, दिस इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन।
कितनी बार टूटा है यार, अब मैं क्या बताऊँ। जब रात के 12 बज जाते हैं ना, तो फिर मुझे समझ नहीं आता मुझे हंसना है कि मुझे रोना है, तो मैं पागलों की तरह बस हंसना शुरू कर दिया। मेरा तो बहुत ही हिला हुआ मामला है। व्हेन माय पेमेंट्स गेट डिलेड, आई कांट टॉलरेट दैट।
क्या आप भी ये जानना चाहते हैं कि निया शर्मा ने कभी प्यार किया है? निया अभी भी सिंगल है या फिर नहीं? और आप में से कई फीमेल फैंस निया शर्मा कैसे बने? तो यस क्या कर रहे हैं? ये खास स्टोरी आप ही के लिए तो है, क्योंकि जब SBS ओरिजिनल्स पहुंचा निया शर्मा के नए म्यूजिक वीडियो अखियां दा घर के प्रमोशन पे, तो बिना देर किए निया से पूछे वो सवाल जो आप में से कई फैंस पूछना चाह रहे थे, और जरा सुनिए कि निया के क्या जवाब थे।
टूटा है यार, टूटा है, अब मैं क्या बताऊँ। I feel so bad, but ठीक है, I think they are experiences and I'm glad that both have happened. Thanks, sir. I mean, no, I've nicely. It's a nice time of my life and I'm enjoying it. That's where I want to end it. पहली नज़र में यार प्यार नहीं होता. You just judge a person a lot, you know. So I have not. It's just you call crush, and if I see somebody very good looking, you automatically get attracted to somebody so beautiful or good looking. In makeup, I think I will always use a nude lip shade. I will always have my primer to start my makeup with, or always I like to go brown, although I am, but I always like to have my brown blush on all over the face. So that's the three things that complete my makeup. Also highlighter, sorry. I honestly want to tell you that I do not belong from a fashion league. I am not somebody who can define fashion or who can give tips on fashion, because I don't follow any as such. But I always say, follow your heart. You don't have to copy somebody कि आपको वो ऐसा पहनती है तो मुझे भी ऐसा पहनना है. No, I have never followed that. मेरा एक certain style है. If I want to look weird, I will look weird. If I want to dress up out of the box, I will dress up out of the box. I take responsibility for my fashion failures, my faux pas, and also when I look good, both. Yeah. My comfort clothing is a white shirt and my shorts and nice, very comfortable, nice shoes or boots. See, everybody needs to maintain. इसमें कोई harm नहीं है. I am not trying to shame anybody here, और कोई इसमें कोई problem नहीं है to look healthy or anything. But I have had very absurd ways of losing weight. I have starved myself to death. I have thrown up after eating. ये सब बहुत गलत आदतें हैं जो नहीं करनी चाहिए. और अब when I have started eating, I don't feel very nice, but I just like to eat in limited amounts. But also when I go crazy, I eat potato chips and all of that. तो मेरा तो बहुत ही हिला हुआ मामला है, so I don't want to give tips on that. I can't tolerate unnecessary attitude. I can't tolerate lying when people lie through their teeth. फालतू में ज़रूरत भी नहीं है. And when my payments get delayed, I can't tolerate that. See, there is nobody in this world who doesn't have a mood swing. Even Kamal has mood swing. Kamal sir has his mood swings. But what I believe is that आप अपने mood swings अपने घर तक रखो. जब आप बाहर जा रहे हो, nobody deserves your attitude. Nobody deserves your mood swings. You need to greet everybody with with a lot of warmth. And yeah, so I try to keep my mood swings to myself. Certain times you get irritated, agitated. It's not required, and yeah. Being in bed watching series after series, no bath, no nothing. कभी कभी तो brush भी नहीं. Sometimes it's just your idea of spending your lazy day. I like watching series. That's kind of, I take it as my homework. I like to watch a lot of English series. I like to watch a lot of movies because I don't know. I just see them from a learning point of view, nothing else. self-love is very important, and I'm the biggest example of self-love. I was not this girl who was liked, or whose features, whose face was liked by many. I was not considered somebody who was very, very or extremely beautiful, and I'm not. But with time, I got so much of confidence within myself that today, wherever I stand, however I stand, whatever I wear, everything is just acknowledged, you know, and it came from somewhere, not because I wanted to or anything. So mera just confidence is to the level where even if you want to tell me that I don't look nice, I know, you know. So it's just that confidence that my self-love. रो देती हूँ, सो जाती हूँ, you know, सोने के बाद सब ठीक हो जाता है. Just go to sleep. I don't think I am in a position to tell somebody how to be Nia Sharma, but if you want to be, have a lot of confidence in yourself, so that when somebody tells you you're ugly, just say yes you are.
मुंबई से मेघा थदानी के साथ एबीपी न्यूज रिपोर्ट।
एबीपी न्यूज आपको रखे आगे।